When it comes to getting your much-needed settlement check from your car accident case, we understand your urgency. The complexity of your case can affect the timing. Simple cases resolve faster, but some legal issues may take longer. We know you need your check urgently. Our qualified team can expedite your compensation. Contact us now to start the process. The medical treatment duration is another vital factor. It's crucial to complete your treatment and reach a point called maximum medical improvement before pursuing a settlement. We'll for sure help you reach that point swiftly. We'll also guide you to that stage and make you feel super comfortable throughout the whole process so your settlement doesn't take longer than necessary. Contact us now to discuss your case. The insurer's response time matters. Once you've submitted a demand for compensation, the insurer reviews your case and provides an initial settlement offer. Some respond quickly, others delay. You're tired of waiting, so reach out to us. We'll apply pressure to expedite the process and get you your check. Contact us now to take control of your situation. The extent of your damages, including medical bills, lost wages, and pain and suffering, affects the timeline. We'll establish that your damages are calculated and assessed to perfection. We know you want your settlement without delay, so go ahead and reach out to us. Contact us now to fast-track your settlement you deserve. If negotiations stall, the case may proceed to litigation, which can prolong the process for months and up to years. And you know that'll add on more stress to your life and the ongoing situation. We're prepared to fight for you in court if needed, but our primary goal is expediting your settlement and getting you paid. Contact us now to get on the fast track to your check. In summary, the timeline varies based on your case's complexity, treatment duration, the insurer's response, and your damages. You need your settlement urgently, and our experienced team is here to guide you and hurry your compensation with the proper calculation and guidelines. Please don't wait any longer. Contact us now to ensure your settlement check arrives as quickly as possible.